What's the one thing that connects these? Those three songs are completely different, but they do have one thing in common. Let's go back to Rhiannon and find out what it is. Lindsey Buckingham, a very underrated guitar player, is playing this part with his thumb. Simple. He's also playing this part with his other fingers. Put those together. What are we learning from this? Let's go to Sunday Bloody Sunday. U2's The Edge does this trick a lot, but what is he doing? What do you call this when you hit two strings, but you only play on one with your left hand? We're getting closer. And what about my original? I wrote this a long time ago. I still come back to it. What am I doing here? Why does it sound so nostalgic? The thing that all three of these songs have in common is the drone note. Now, how do you play a drone note? With Rhiannon, it's played with the bass. And this is the common way to do it. The treble part is playing. So in this case, the drone note played with bass. This is a common way to do it. Alright? You can play a drone note in the bass and let the treble move. You can also play a drone note in the treble and let the treble move. Right? In the case of U2, the bass guitar is not necessarily droning there. It's himself just droning on the one G string up high while he plays that high part. Now I'm going to show you some multiple ways that you can use a drone note in your own playing. You can think of it as a bass drone while the treble moves, or you can take the drone note up a little higher and just play even higher on top of it. Or you could play a drone note, and here's where it gets real practical. You can play a drone note on any string, really, and let the chords move underneath it. You still hear that beat? This is the key of B. A lot of guitar players don't like the key of B. I happen to like it. Keep that B going. We've got that steady B going the whole time there. You can do this really in any key that has an open string on the guitar, you'll find. It works fine if you're doing it with a closed string as well, like I did. Right, I'm actually playing the D, but you can play it with open D string too. You see what I'm doing there? I'm using an open D string, and then I'm using the open A string as a drone. Another very famous song that does this, check this one out. There She Goes by The Laws. So many ways to use a drone note. Of course, in the key of E. You can play the full chord and let these drone, or you can just play this string. real power in Rhiannon and songs like this is that there's not so much movement going on. Everyone doesn't have to move all the time. You can let the bass player hold down the fort while somebody else does the movement. Or you can let the piano player hold down the fort in the top end while the bass does the movement underneath. Jazz music is really common where the guitar and the piano will be playing and the bass that's not really a jazz standard there, but you can see my treble notes are staying. And the bass is moving. There's so many ways to use a drone note. Fleetwood Mac does it to incredible use on Rhiannon. The Edge does it in U2 all the time, and there's so many ways that you can do it too. I hope you enjoyed this. There's a link in the description if you want to work with me personally. Click that link. I will help you understand the guitar and just master this neck. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you on the next video.